Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to use lower, upper and proper in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the Microsoft Excel file. Here we can see a column consisting of the names of the different people like James Butt, Josephine, Derek Hitch, Twenty Ray, and so on. Okay, and here we can see the names are like it's not properly arranged or it's not properly here in between we can see a capital letter and in between we can see a capital letter and it's not properly arranged like sometimes we want those names to be properly arranged suppose we want the entire name to be in an uppercase or sometimes we want the entire name to be in a lowercase and sometimes we want the name in a proper case starting letter would be a capital letter and everything would be a small letter this or the starting letter can be an uppercase and all the other letters can be a lowercase. That's the proper format. So instead of changing here letter by letter, so it's really a time consuming. Okay, so in order to overcome of that we use the some of the operations or some of the shortcut operations in MS Excel where we can arrange the name or anything which we want in a whether we want it in a lowercase or we want it in an uppercase or we want it in a proper case. Okay, so let's see like how to arrange the names in lowercase lower format or in upper format or in a proper format. Okay, so first we'll see like how to arrange all these names in a lower format. Okay, so first we have to type equal to, then we have to type lower. Suppose if we want all the names to be in a lower format, then click on that particular cell, then close it, then press enter. So now we can see the entire name in a lower format. So just take the cursor to this particular point where it will come up with the sign. Just hold it and drag till the number of rows where you want all the name to be in a lower format. Okay, so now you can see all the names in a lower format. Okay, so now let's see like how to arrange all these names in a upper format. Okay, so press equal to, then type upper, then open the bracket, click that particular cell which you want the name to be in, all the name to be in upper format, close the bracket, press enter. So here similarly take the cursor to that particular cell, particular end of the cell where it will show up with plus sign. So hold it and drag till where you want all the names to be in an upper. So here we saw all the names converted to a lower format. Here we saw all the names converted to an upper format. And now we'll see how to convert all the names in a proper format. So press equal to, then type proper in the bracket, then click on that particular cell, then close the bracket. So now you can see that first letter of the name is in a capital and rest all in a lower format. So since the first name is James, the second name is Butt, so whenever we write the name, so it's arranged in a proper format like James Butt. So here similarly take the cursor to the point where it will show plus, like here end of this particular cell, hold it and drag till wherever you want the name in a proper format. So here now we can see the names which we want it in a lower format and upper format and a proper format. So after doing this, like here still we can see whenever we take our cursor to that particular cell, still it's showing with the formula. So select all these cells, then press Control Alt, sorry, first copy this entire cell, then press Control Alt V, then click on the values, then press OK. So now it's out of the formula, and we can see all the names are converted into the required format, and it's properly arranged. And here now we can mention the names or whatever the required uh, column name which we can mention it here. And finally we have converted the particular names in the required format. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, and hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you in and all. Thank you.